Is there a certain way to apply it? Or
Just smear it in. You try to get as much excess off as you can.
And pull in all directions, huh?
Yep. Make sure you fill everything in.
So there's not a one way you want to do it. You kind of want to go multiple ways to make sure it's getting in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
does grout shrink?
No. It does crack, that's for sure. Especially on backsplashes, corners, and where it meets the top countertop.
Is it more so cracking from sediment or from the grout being mixed with too much water?
Movement of the counter, corner.